Hello people, this is my presentation for my term project in Microprocerssors course. I study in Istanbul Atlas University. My major is biomedical engineering and my name is Muhammed Ömer Korkmaz. In this project I made a digital sound processing project which is for guitars. It's a guitar effect pedal. Let's start with the code. In here I'm using the I2S protocol, which is necessary for digital sound processing. And for this protocol, I'm using ESP32S3 model. To be more specific, it's the N16R8 model. It has 16 megabytes of PSRAM and 8 megabytes of normal RAM. It was necessary because I'm using a reverb effect and it needs higher memory. For analog to digital converter I'm using PCM 1808. It's located here. I will show the circuit as well. And for digital to analog converter I am using PCM 5102. Normally ESP32 has these digital to analog converter and analog to digital converter within itself, but it's not that qualified and it creates more noise because it's in the signal way. It's near to signal processing locations. So that I chose to use them standalone. I'm using NE5532 for preamplification of the guitar signal because for active circuit guitars it's not that bad, but for passive circuit guitars they have like 8 millivolts of signal and it needs to be amplified to get rid of the interference. So it's the first stop of the signal chain. Besides than that, I tried to use CD4051BE as a multiplexer because I was trying to utilize 8 potentiometers and 12 locations rotary switch. But I think it's because of the complexity of the circuits. As you can see here, it's such a mess. Maybe it's because of that, or maybe there are some other problems as well. But they were committing too much interference, so the sound coming out was too distorted, so non-musical. So I chose to just cut them off, and I'm not using the rotary switch as well. And I have a foot switch here, which is necessary for on-stage usage of the pedals. It's bypassing the circuit or opening not the circuit actually, bypassing the signal, not even the signal, bypassing the effect digitally and turning it on again. I didn't use an analog bypass because if I did, then there would volume imbalances when I'm switching the foot switch. So these are the and I have one 3-way switch for the effects, two two-way switches for passive active selection and bass and guitar selection. Passive active selection is working, but bass and guitar is only working for bass. I don't know why I got this problem, but yeah, it has so much noise. In here I'm defining the pins, as you can see. This is the reverb locations, buffers of I2S, foot switch logic here, compressor effects, for everything. For every effect you should ideally you should put some compressor effect too, to get rid of the signal imbalances. These are the modes, so effects again. For example, this is the up location of the three-way switch. This is the bottom location of the three-way switch, and this is the middle position. I did it like this. I used else here, not else if, because my switch is on, off, on. So it has 3 pins. One is for first location, one is for third location, and middle one is common. So I'm putting 3.3 volts common, and if I switch it to this position, then it's going to there. If I switch it to this position, it's going to there. And for the middle position, you shouldn't read anything, so it's better to use this one, because you will use less pins. Compressor effect for the locations as well. This is the all pass filter, so it doesn't do a significant job. All pass means allowing full signal to pass, actually, not high pass, not low pass, or low cut, high cut. It just allows every like the whole signal to pass. This is pre-delay for making it more obvious in the video, but because I will record it with audio interface, it will be obvious, but I just put it. This is the distortion effects. This is the switch logic. This is the foot switch logic. Here are the settings of I2S. The loop for detecting the switch, the modes, and yeah, that's it. Now I will show my project. I will demonstrate it. In the first position, I will show you the middle one, which is balanced distortion and reverb, and then I will show you the high length reverb, and for the third position, distortion is not working properly. It's too much noisy, so I will try to show it. I will try it, but if it's not coming out good, then maybe I will lower the sound for you, for your headphones, maybe. And my bass guitar has 3 strings because I snapped 2 of my tuners here. But yeah, I will show you. Thank you for listening me, people. I know that I'm not that much of a great player, but as you can see and hear, my project works. Um, it can be improved, I agree, but the main idea was digital sound processing, and it's working properly. Even though the circuitry looks like a mess, a total mess, it has noise, I know. It's not the worst pedal I have ever seen, and the worst one was not handmade, so it can be improved, and I will improve it actually. Maybe not this one, but another one. Yes. So that will be all. Thank you for listening to me.